Hello, myself Urmila, Assistant Professor in Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University in Fashion Designing Department. Today my topic is basic bodice block and its variation. In the basic pattern development, basic bodice block is the major key of the pattern making, and we create the number of variation. First of all, the objective. To make a draft of adult bodice block, then we create any dress, any garment for the upper bodies. So first of all, we required some material for the make a draft of basic bodice block. Brown paper. Brown paper is a normal paper, and we also use a newspaper alternatively if we don't have any brown paper. Pencils, for the marking we use a pencil. Scale, for the measurement we use the scale and the eraser. If we use any wrong line and we draw any wrong line and wrong diagram, then we use eraser. Measuring tape. Measuring tape is basically measuring tape is basically made from the plastic, and one side is 60 centimeter and one sided steel banner. And the next is pins. We need some ball pins and thumb pins, and the scissor. We need a sharp iron scissor that we cut the pattern very neatly. Then we need the measurement for the person. We create a basic bodice block. For example, a 19-year-old adult, then we use the measurement length of the bodies. Length of the bodies is 14. We use the shoulder to the waist, shoulder to the mid waist. It is the length of the bodies. Round bust is 30. Basically round bust, and then we divide in the 1/4 part, because we make a draft of 1/4 part. Shoulder is 14. Method: mark A B C D and A equal to CD and AC equal to BD, and then after divide AC into 1/2, mark the line EF. Divide AE into half and mark the line FF. Then divide AF into half, mark the line GG. Divide AG into half, mark of the line that's called HH. Divide AB into 6 equal part, mark line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Join H with a slight downward curve for neckline, where line 2 and HH intersect in the point called K. Joint I and 1 entered it 2.5 cm to J point. Next, the where line 2 and FF intersect is point called K. Point L is 2 cm on the right side of the K, where line EE and the intersect is a point called M. Point N is 1.25 cm below the point M on line 3. Join JL with straight line and LM with a curve for the armhole. Join 5F with deep interward curve for front neckline, where HH line 4 intersect is point called O. Join point 5 and O, extend it over 2.5 to point P, where line 4 and FF intersect is point Q. Point R in 1 cm left side of Q. Join PR with straight line and RN with a curve for front armhole. Some additional measurement that required for children are the thigh girth. We need some additional measurement for the children, because thigh measurement, measure around the fullest part of the thigh. The measurement is useful to draft a pattern for a girl and bloomer, short pants, parallel, pajama, etc. Cervical heights, measure down from the nape of the neck and the ground. This gives the total length of the garment. In the children, usually chest, waist, hip are measured. Their measurement depend on their ages and they are similar for both boy and girl till 5 years. With increase in age, the measurement differ. After 6 years, separate measurements are to be taken for body, boys and girls. Crotch length. Pass the tape from the center back at the waist level is between the leg and to the center front at the waist level. Front length. Measure from the nape of the neck to the desired length of the frog as per the design. Chest. Similar to the bust measurement in the measurement chart. Accurate measurements are required for a well-fitted garment. Certain precautions must be taken while taking measurement. Hold the tape easily and snugly to do not tight or too loose. Do not let the tape twist while taking measurements. It is faster to take crosswise measurement first followed by lengthwise measurement. Record all the measurement taken in the chart before you forget. Correct measurement will lead to a well-fitted dress. Thank you.